Your scanner features a control panel with an LCD display. You can use the control panel to start scanning or change scanner settings. Press the left or right arrow button to move through modes, then press OK to select a mode and its related options. Press the back button to return to the previous screen, or press Home to return to the main menu. Press the Help button for troubleshooting and how-to instructions. Press the Start button to begin scanning, or the Cancel button to stop. There are several options on the scanner's display. Select Scan to begin scanning. Select Scanner Maintenance for information on roller cleaning and replacement. Select Settings to adjust scanning options, LCD brightness, sleep timer settings, and more. Select Device Information to view the scanner's serial number, firmware version, and number of pages scanned. These icons show the status of the double feed detection skip and slow settings. The icons are blue when the settings are enabled, or gray when they are not. To scan, insert your documents and press Start. Your documents will scan, and Epson ScanSmart will open on your computer. To enable a feature like Slow or Double Feed Detection Skip, select Settings. Select Scanner Settings, press the left or right arrow button to highlight the feature, then press OK. Highlight On, press OK again, then press the Home button. The feature's icon will be blue. Press Start to begin the scan job using the enabled feature.